Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, from few days we are doing the revision on some topics. Today I am going to start chapter 8, that is more on PowerPoint. That is more on PowerPoint. In this, we have some topic, that is creating a new presentation, using blank presentation and install templates, running a slideshow, applying themes, working with slide masters. So all these are the what? All these are the subtopics in this chapter more on PowerPoint. Before starting the book exercise of chapter 8, more on PowerPoint, we will go through the summary of the chapters. Okay, we will go through the summary of the chapters here. This is the summary of the chapter. In this, normal view is the default view of PowerPoint. Normal view is the default view of the PowerPoint का default view जो क्या है, नॉर्मल व्यू जो है आपके पावर पॉइंट का एक डिफ़ॉल्ट व्यू है. इट इज़ द मेन व्यू वेयर यू कैन एंटर, एडिट एंड फॉर्मेट द टेक्स्ट. ये सबसे मेन व्यू है जहाँ पे हम टेक्स्ट, जहाँ पे हम कुछ भी एंटर कर सकते हैं, एडिट या फॉर्मेट का. हमारे डाटा के अंदर कोई भी कुछ भी जो भी, अगर इफ़ वी वांट टू एंटर समथिंग इन आवर डाटा, वी कैन इजीली एंटर, एडिट एंड फॉर्मेट द डाटा. Now second is in slide sorter view, all the slides of a presentations are displayed in thumbnail form. स्लाइड शॉर्टर व्यू एक ऐसा व्यू है जहाँ पे सारे स्लाइड्स जो है आपके सारे प्रेजेंटेशंस के जितने भी स्लाइड्स होते हैं वो सारे स्लाइड्स जो है हमारा थंबनेल फॉर्म में डिस्प्ले होता है. इट विल बी डिस्प्लेड इन थंबनेल फॉर्म. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कम थर्ड वन. A slide show is a full screen. A slide show is a full screen digital presentation of slides one by one in a sequential order. Slide show क्या है बेटा? Slide show जो है ये फुल स्क्रीन डिजिटल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ स्लाइड्स है. ये एक फुल स्क्रीन डिजिटल प्रेजेंटेशन है जो कि स्लाइड्स के ऊपर पूरे फुल स्क्रीन में डिस्प्ले होता है और वन बाय वन एक करके एक सारे सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में वन बाय वन करके डिस्प्ले होते रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज रीअरेंजिंग स्लाइड्स मीन्स शिफ्टिंग स्लाइड्स फ्रॉम वन पोजीशन टू अनदर इन अ प्रेजेंटेशन. रीअरेंजिंग स्लाइड्स का मतलब है कि हम हमारा जो स्लाइड है, जिस पोजीशन पे हमारा स्लाइड है, इफ़ वी वांट टू चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ द स्लाइड्स, तो हम अपने उस स्लाइड्स का पोजीशन एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे चेंज कर सकते हैं. कैसे कर सकते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ रीअरेंजिंग स्लाइड्स. लास्ट वन इज थीम. A theme is a predefined combination of background design. A theme is a predefined combination of background design, color and font effect. Theme जो है predefined combination है background designs, color और font effects है, जो हमें सब कुछ theme में मिलता है, जो ऑलरेडी पहले से बैक में प्रिपेयर हुआ रहता है. Next is slide master. Slide master allows a user to modify the slides and slide layout in a presentation. Okay, so slide master क्या है? Slide master is allowed to a user. एक slide master एक यूज़र को जो भी यूज़र है जो कंप्यूटर पे प्रेजेंटेशन बना रहा है, उस प्रेजेंटेशन को स्लाइड मास्टर ये अलाउ करता है कि वो स्लाइड लेआउट्स अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में कर सके. अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में कोई भी स्लाइड या स्लाइड लेआउट्स को मॉडिफाई करना चाहता है तो यूज़र जो है स्लाइड मास्टर के हेल्प से कर सकता है. सो दिस इज द समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द बुक एक्सरसाइज. दैट इज फर्स्ट वन इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. फर्स्ट वन इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. सी हियर, इन दैट वी हैव टू डू 5 क्वेश्चंस. Okay, how many views are there in the presentation view group? Okay, how many views are there in the presentation view group? So option is 4, 5, 6. Answer for option is 4, 5, 6. Here three options are given here. The correct answer is C, that is 6. The correct answer is C, that is 6. There are how many views are there? There are 6 views in the presentation view group. There are 6 views in the presentation view group. Now come to the next, that is second one. See here, pressing this key, okay, pressing this key starts the slideshow from the beginning. Pressing this key starts the slideshow from the beginning. Option is Shift, Ctrl and F5. The correct answer is C, F5. The correct answer is C, F5. So F5 is the key that starts the slideshow from the beginning. Now come to the next one, that is third. Slides can be rearranged in this view. Slides can be rearranged in this view. So the answer is, we have three options: normal view, slide sorter view and both. Okay, these three options are there. The correct answer is B, that is slide sorter view. That is what? Slide sorter view. So slide can be rearranged in slide sorter view. Spelling is SLIDE, slide, SORTER, sorter, VIEW, view, slide sorter view. Now next one is, that is fourth one. How many types of themes are there in MS PowerPoint 2016? I repeat again. How many types of themes are there in MS PowerPoint 2016? So option is 33, 41, 51. Okay. The correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. That is what? 33. That is what? 33. So 33. How many types we have? We have 33 types of themes. There are 33 types of themes in MS PowerPoint 2016. Okay, now come to the next, that is fifth one. On which tab is the slide master options available? In which tab is the slide master options available? So fifth one, home, view and design. Home, view and design. The correct answer is B option, that is view. That is view. Which tab? View tab is the slide master option available. On which tab is the slide master option available? The slide master option available on view tab. It is available on view tab. Spelling is VIEW, view. Spelling is VIEW, view. By this we have completed the exercise 8. Tick the correct answer. Now come to the next, that is B, fill in the blanks. That is what? B, fill in the blanks. Here, dash view has no slide navigation. Dash view has no slide navigation pane. So answer is slide sorter. Answer is slide sorter. Spelling is SLIDE, slide, SORTER, sorter. Okay, spelling is SLIDE, slide, SORTER, sorter. So this is the slide sorter. Views has no slide navigation pane. Now come to the next one, that is second one. Dash is a predefined combination of a background design, color and font effect. So answer is theme. Answer is theme. Okay, answer is theme. Theme is the Theme is a predefined combination of background design, color and font effect. Spelling is Theme. Theme. Spelling is Theme. Theme. Now come to the next, that is third one. Start from beginning button is present on the dash. Start from beginning button is present on the dash. So answer is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Start from beginning button is present on the quick access toolbar. Spelling is Quick, quick, ACCESS TOOLBAR, toolbar. So quick access toolbar. Now come to the next, that is fourth one. Dash view displays the slide one by one in a sequential order. Dash view displays the slides one by one in a sequential order. Which view? Slide show. Slide show. So spelling is SLIDE, slide, SHOW. So slide show view displays the slides one by one in a sequential order. Now come to the next, that is fifth one. PowerPoint is a dash software. PowerPoint is a dash software. So answer is presentation. Answer is presentation. Okay. PowerPoint is a presentation software. PowerPoint is a presentation software. Spelling is PRESENTATION. I repeat again, PRESENTATION. Presentation. So now come to the next, that is true or false. That is what? True or false. So in this, what we have to do? We have to say which sentence is true and which sentence is false. Here also we have to do 5 sentences are there given. See, first one is, a presenter cannot add notes to a presentation. A presenter cannot add notes to a presentation. Is it? A presenter cannot add notes to a presentation? No. So it is what? It is true? No, it is false. Why it is false? Because a presenter can add notes to a presentation. A presenter can add notes to a presentation. Now come to the next, that is second one. Reading view displays the thumbnail of the slides. Okay, reading view displays the thumbnails of the slides. Is it reading view displays the thumbnails of the slides? No. So it is false. Why it is false? Because reading views help us to read the slides. It's not display the thumbnails of the slides. Now come to the next, that is third one. Shift plus F5 key combination starts the slide show from the current slide. Shift plus F5 key combination starts the slideshow from the current slide. Is it true? Yes. Is it? It is true. 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 Now come to the next, that is fourth one. Rearranging slide means deleting the slides. Rearranging slide means deleting the slide. Is it? No, it is not. So it is false. Why it is false? Because rearranging slide means shifting slides from one place to another in a presentation. Rearranging slide means what? Shifting slides from one position to another in a presentation. So this sentence must be false. Now come to the next, that is fifth one. The slide master controls the entire presentation. Is it? The slide master controls the entire presentation. Is it true or false? Yes. Is it true? The slide master controls the entire presentation. So answer is, this statement is true. T-R-U-E, true. So by this we have completed exercise A, B and C. Now come to the, that is D. Answer the following. Answer the following. First one is, on which tab are the presentation view option available? On which tab are the presentation view option available? List the types of views. So see here, on view tab the presentation view options are available. Means the presentation view options are available on which tab? On view tab. Spelling is V-I-E-W, view tab. Okay. So the types of views are normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view and slide show view. These are the types of views. I repeat again, on the view tab the presentation view options are available. The types of views are normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view and slide show view. Okay. Now come to the next, that is second one. What do you understand by the term slide show? What do you understand by the term slide show? So a slide show is a full screen digital presentation. A slide show is a full screen digital presentation of slides one by one in a sequential order. I repeat again, a slideshow is a full screen digital presentation of slides one by one in a sequential order. This is the answer second. Now come to the third answer. Explain the theme features in PowerPoint. Explain the theme features in PowerPoint. A theme is a predefined combination of background, design, color and font effect. What is a theme? A theme is a predefined combinations of background, design, color and font effect. Okay. Now come to the next, that is fourth one. Describe the slide master feature. Describe the slide master feature. So slide master allows a user to modify the slides and slide layout in a presentation. I repeat again. Slide master allows a user to modify the slides and slide layouts in a presentation. This is the feature of slide master. Now come to the next, that is fifth one. Differentiate between the slide sorter view and slide show view. Differentiate between the slide sorter view and slide show view. Okay. See here, in slide sorter view, all the slides of a presentations are displayed in the thumbnail forms, whereas slide show views displays the slide in a sequential order. I repeat again, in slide sorter view, all the slides of a presentations are displayed in thumbnail form. In slide sorter, all the slides of a presentation displayed in thumbnail forms, and in slide show view, all the slides are so displayed the slides in a sequential order. Okay. In slide show view, it displays the slides in a sequential order. So this is the question and answer we have completed. I repeat the fifth answer again. In slide sorter view, all the slides of a presentations are displayed in thumbnail forms, whereas slide show view displays the slides in a sequential order. So by this we have completed the whole exercise A, B, C and D. So here we have our activity zone. Just we will go through this our activity zone. See here, identify and name the presentation view given below. मीन्स जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन व्यू दिया है उसे हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उस प्रेजेंटेशन व्यू का नेम लिखना है. So first one is slide show view. First one is what? First one is slide show view. Slide show view spelling is SLIDE, slide, SHOW, show, VIEW, view, slide show view. Now okay, now come to the next, that is second one. This one is slide sorter view. Slide sorter view spelling is SLIDE, slide, SORTER, sorter, and VIEW, view, slide sorter view. Come to the next, that is, can you get? This is the note page view. This is what? Note page view. Third one is note page view. Spelling is NOTE, note, PAGE, page, VIEW, view, note page view. And last one, fourth one is normal view. It is what? Normal view. Spelling is NORMAL, normal, VIEW, view, normal view. So by this, students, we have completed the whole exercise and our activities of chapter 8, more on PowerPoint. So students, please go through on it and complete your books and fair copies. Write this chapter. I will send you the PDF also. So please, with the help of these videos and PDF, complete your books and fair copy, because in few days your school will get reopened, and whenever the school will get reopened, you have to submit your fair copy to me. So please active with your studies and go through on it. Bye. We will meet in the next video with next topic.